Fashion in the land of the Great Steppe. Kazakhstan's initial entry into the global fashion industry raised an important question. How should the Kazakhs express their identity in a global context? Fashion serves to shape perceptions of people internationally, and for many it would be the first major glimpse into Kazakh culture. The challenge was made all the more difficult by the fact that Kazakhstan has been in the process of such a rapid modernization. On one hand, there are ultra-modern lifestyles being led in major cities like Nur Sultan and Almaty, while on the other there are traditional, tribal and nomadic elements of Kazakh culture still alive in rural areas. Kazakh designers have found an elegant solution to this problem, inspired by elements of both the old and the new. In a style of their own creation, they have incorporated traditional motifs into contemporary items and recreated folk costumes using modern fabrics and fitting. By effortlessly merging elements from two separate eras, local designers have helped cement Kazakhstan's status as a modern global entity while still keeping the country's culture intact. This experimental style has received widespread acclaim, and as a result, local designers have represented their country at fashion events all over the world. What's more, due to its recent successes, Nur Sultan is fast becoming the fashion capital of Central Asia, as the wealthy elite from neighbouring countries increasingly choose to do their shopping there rather than in Dubai, Paris or Milan. Kazakhstan's current success in fashion has come as a result of innovation, passion and hard work. Not only did designers have to establish a style that would draw the attention of the fashion industry, but the country itself had to create a system which would allow them to source materials and manufacture clothing in larger quantities than ever before.